Real estate investing is all about making smart decisions. You need to know the numbers. You need to understand the market. In the past, this meant spending weeks, even months, doing research. You would have to dig through public records. In the past, you had to talk to agents and visit neighborhoods. Real estate investing was a lot of hard work. It was also easy to miss something important. A small mistake in your calculations could cost you thousands of dollars down the road. This is where the game is changing for investors like you and me. Today we have powerful tools that can help us. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the biggest game changers I've seen in my career. Think of AI as your super smart assistant. It can do all the heavy lifting for you. It gathers huge amounts of information in seconds. It analyzes data faster than any human ever could. This means you get a complete picture of a property almost instantly. You are no longer guessing. You are making decisions based on solid facts and data, which is the key to successful investing. Using AI for property analysis is like having an entire team of experts in your pocket. It looks at everything from the property's price history to the quality of local schools. It checks crime rates and even predicts future market trends. This technology levels the playing field. It doesn't matter if you are a brand new investor or a seasoned pro. AI gives you the same powerful insights. It helps you avoid bad deals and find hidden gems that others might overlook. It's about working smarter, not harder. The goal of any investment is to make money. To do that in real estate, you need to minimize your risk and maximize your return. AI helps you do exactly that. It takes the emotion out of the decision. Instead of falling in love with a property's nice kitchen, you can see the hard numbers. Does it have good cash flow potential? Is the neighborhood growing? These are the questions that truly matter. AI provides clear answers, helping you build a profitable property portfolio with confidence. So, how does this all begin? It's simpler than you might think. The entire process starts with one single piece of information: the property's address. You open up your AI analysis tool, which usually looks like a clean, simple website or app. You will see a search bar, much like the one you use for a Google search. This is where your journey begins. You don't need to know anything else about the property at this stage. You just need the street name, number, city, and state. That's it. Once you have the address, you carefully type it into the search bar. For example, you would enter 123 Maple Street, Anytown, USA. It's important to double-check that you have entered it correctly. A small typo could lead the AI to analyze the wrong property, so accuracy here is key. After you have typed in the address, you simply hit the Enter key or click the Analyze button. This single click is what sets the powerful AI engine in motion. It's the starting gun for a race to gather all the data you need. The moment you click that button, the AI tool connects to dozens of different databases online. It pulls information from public records, real estate listing services, government websites, and more. It's like sending out a team of 100 researchers who all report back in seconds. This is the part that used to take me weeks of manual work. I would have to visit the city hall, call different agents, and search through multiple websites. Now the AI does it all for you before you can even finish sipping your coffee. You don't need to be a tech expert to use these tools. They are designed to be user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive. The whole point is to make complex data accessible to everyone. The system is built for regular investors who want to make informed choices without needing a degree in computer science. All you need to do is provide the address, and the AI takes care of the rest. It's a straightforward first step that unlocks a world of valuable information for your potential investment. After you enter the address and click Analyze, the real magic begins. Your screen will come to life. The AI tool starts to populate a detailed report right before your eyes. It is actively collecting, sorting, and presenting information. It pulls data from many sources at once. Think of it as a master chef grabbing ingredients from all over the kitchen to create a perfect meal. The AI is gathering property details, financial metrics, neighborhood statistics, and market trends. It is building a complete profile of your potential investment property. The system is designed to look at 47 specific data points. Each one is a piece of the puzzle. Together they give you a full 360-degree view. You will see basic information first, like the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the square footage, and the year the house was built. But it quickly goes much deeper than that. The AI pulls up the property's entire sales history, showing you what it sold for in the past. This helps you understand its value over time. It's an incredible amount of information, all organized neatly for you. As the data streams in, you will see different sections of the report fill up. One section might focus on the financials. It will estimate the property's current market value. It will calculate the potential monthly rent you could charge. It will even estimate your monthly expenses like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Another section will focus on the location itself. It will show you school ratings, crime statistics, and proximity to parks, shops, and public transportation. Each piece of data is chosen because it matters to an investor. The process is incredibly fast. In less than a minute, you will have a comprehensive report with all 47 data points. This speed is a huge advantage. It allows you to analyze multiple properties in a single afternoon. You can compare a house on one side of town to a condo on the other side with ease. You are no longer limited by how fast you can do the research yourself. The AI does the hard work so you can focus on the most important part, making a smart investment decision based on all the facts. Now you have the report with 47 data points. What do they all mean? Let's break down a few key ones. First, look at the rental yield. This number tells you how much money you can make from rent compared to the property's price. A higher rental yield is better. It means the property is a strong income generator. The AI calculates this for you so you don't have to do the complicated math. It helps you quickly see if the property will produce positive cash flow each month. Next, look at the crime rate. This is simple but very important. A low crime rate means the neighborhood is safe. Safe neighborhoods attract good, long-term tenants. People want to live where they feel secure. A safe area also helps protect your property's value over time. The AI shows you the exact crime statistics for the area, so you are not just guessing based on a feeling. You are looking at real data that affects your investment stability and desirability for renters. Another crucial data point is school ratings. Even if your tenants don't have children, good schools are a major driver of property values. Families will pay more to live in a great school district. This demand pushes up both rental prices and resale values in the area. The AI report will give you a clear rating for the local elementary, middle, and high schools. Investing in an area with good schools is a long-term strategy for appreciation. It makes your property more attractive to a wider pool of future buyers and renters. Finally, the AI provides a resale value projection. This is where it gets really powerful. The AI analyzes market trends, neighborhood development plans, and historical data to predict the property's future value. It helps you see the potential for appreciation. Are property values in this area expected to go up? This information is critical for building long-term wealth. By combining all these data points, the AI gives you the confidence to make a decision. It turns a complicated process into a clear, step-by-step analysis, helping you invest smarter and build a successful income property portfolio.